Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unpack and review the Symbol brand shirt from Amazon. This is a XL-sized olive-colored shirt. First impressions, it's a bit light in color than I expected. The fabric is 100% cotton, and as you can see, the buttons have their branding on it. The fabric feels to be decent enough, and the stitching is good. It has one normal pocket, as you can see. I bought it for $529 and overall I kinda like it. And now, let's try it on, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing our channel. Thank you.